created by Christy, and today we're going to do a pretty simple project, but can look pretty cool when it's all said and done. We are going to take a coffee cup, put a design on it, and for lack of a better word, stickers. I cut it with my Cricut. You can use stickers to do the outline if you want to. What we're going to do is we're going to get it put on the cup, and then we're going to use Sharpie markers to polka dot around it, so when we peel it off, the word will kind of be illuminated in there. So the first thing I have to do is make my design and cut it on my Cricut, which I already did. So now I'm going to go ahead and weed it and get it applied to the mug. Okay, so now that I have my design weeded out, you can see it just says dream. Nothing too terribly exciting. The next thing I'm going to do is take transfer paper, which is just like a clear paper that I peel off here. I'm going to trace it or put pressure onto this so that that will peel off, so that when I adhere it to the cup here, it transfers onto there. Before you put it on, always be cognizant of what side you drink your coffee on. So if you're a righty, it's probably like this. If you're a lefty, it's like this. So think about who you're making it for and whatever, so that you can have it so that it shines out for your intended subject. All right. See, oh geez, that the decal is on there. I just used some random vinyl that I had left. So once you get that done, the next thing we're going to do is take Sharpies and dot around the decal. What you'll want to do is just do one every little bit, and then choose your next color and do it every little bit, and then the next color and do it every little bit, so that when we're done, it's completely outlined, and so that when we take the vinyl off, you can still see the words that are there. First layer of dots there, I'm gonna take a different color marker and then dot in between those dots, and then do it again and maybe again. Okay. So now that I've got, I hate that you can't see it with the light on. So now that I've got it outlined pretty much with the polka dots, what I'm gonna do now is just polka dot the rest of the cup, so that when we pull this off, you'll still see the word, but it will have that fun festive feel throughout. Okay, so now we have come to the part where we take off the sticker and hope to goodness we can still read our word. So I take that off, you can still see the dream, but I kind of missed some dots around my curlicue. So what I'm going to do is just very carefully go ahead and fix that by dotting that little loop-de-loop with a couple of the colors. So that now you can still see that loop-de-loop in the dream, okay? I love doing art with my son and my nephew. The one thing I have always said is there are no rules, just don't make a mess. Or if you do, clean it up. But so that's why my nephew loves to come over and do art with me, because there's never too much bling and he can do whatever his little heart desires. So, and that's what arts and crafts should be, a time to have fun and just really create not only art but memories. And the best part is when you hang it up, because they love to come over years later and see their art still displayed on your walls. Doesn't mean I have a lot of wall space, but you get the idea. We're almost done, and we have accomplished the mission because I can still read the word. Yay, team. Alrighty. So now you can see, look, you can still read dream there, and it's just all kind of fun with the polka dots. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to put this into the oven at 250 degrees and bake it for 2 hours just to set in the Sharpies, and then it will be ready for my favorite cup of coffee tomorrow morning. Thanks, have a great day, like and subscribe. Continue watching, yay!